Your Excellency, I'm deeply honored to welcome you and Mama and all the distinguished guests to this groundbreaking ceremony for the Kayunga Bbaale Galiraya Road project, covering a total of 87 kilometers from Kayunga town through Bbaale to Galiraya on the shores of Lake Kyoga. Your Excellency, this project, as you have already heard, has been long awaited. The Muganda says, "Sesolya bw'atafa atuuka ku lyengedde." Kati bannakayunga ab'e Bbaale ne Galiraya mutuuse ku lyengedde.
Well, I'm very happy with the road, which we have just broke the ground. We have been planning to build it for a long time. You have heard that it is a strategic road, shortening the distance between Northern Uganda and Kampala, because from Amoratar in Lango, if you come directly to Kampala, either through Nakasongora or through here, it's like 100 miles if direct like this. But when you go around to Karuma, you go to Soroti, around the lake, go to that Lake Kyoga, very big, very long. You may end up with about 200 miles. So this is very strategic, it's very good, economically, and in terms of shortening travel time, as they have said. So I'm very happy that finally we are going to build this road. Kati ensonga tubagamba tubanange enyingiza y'amaka ate enyingiza erimu ekibaro ebyo byonna mbadde mbibagamba mu nkiiko. So now that we have got this good road, the Bagaga are doing the sugar cane is byabagaga ebikajjo byana ebyo. Naye bali abantu bafe abamataka amatono balina okujjukira eddagala lyaffe lye twabanogera, emwanyi, ebibala, ente z'amata z'omu kiyumba, emmere, emanju okuteekayo enkoko z'amagi, n'ebidiba by'ebyennyanja. Ebyo byonna biri mu ssente ku bantu ab'ettaka ettono. Kati nsanyuse twatandika PDM etandise okuyambayambako, naye tetulina budde bwakwogera ku ebyo byonna. Ekikulu wano kwe kujjukira omulamwa guli nti enkulaakulana ya ffenna, naye obugagga n'obwavu bwa kinoomu. So njagala kubayozaayoza ab'e Kayunga na abaana NRM bonna na gavumenti okutandika omulimu guno ogubadde guluddewo ebbanga eddene. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala.
The Minister, I'm deeply honored and privileged to warmly welcome you to this historic event, the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the Kayunga Galiraya Road. Thank you for performing that function. This moment marks the fulfillment of a long-awaited dream for over 30 years. This project has been pending approval, a matter of much hope and anticipation for the people of Kayunga. Today, Your Excellency, you have made that dream come true. I would expect a huge round of applause for that.
It's my great honor to be here on behalf of China Road and Bridge Corporation, CRBC, as we officially launch the upgrading of Kayunga Bbaale Galiraya Road project. This moment marks not only the new beginning in Uganda infrastructure sector, but also a strong partnership between China and Uganda.
Your Excellency, Thank you very much for inviting us to attend today's groundbreaking ceremony of the road project in this area, which carries significance to the regional integration. There's a well-known Chinese saying, to be rich, build roads first. And in this sense, we appreciate and fully support the Ugandan government prioritizing investments in infrastructure and undertaking extensive construction projects in the country. China is happy to be part of the infrastructure development in Uganda.